See you later, alligator. After a while, crocodile. See you later, alligator.
Hey there guys, it's Paul Archer from dronesgear.com, and this time around I'm going to show you a tiny indoors flyer with a camera called Furibee h801. It comes with an alien-shaped head canopy where the camera sits pretty comfortable, and it works by connecting it through your phone and using the app that it comes with to pilot it. It comes in this box that advertises the basic functions of the drone like flips, gyro and headless mode. Inside there is a plastic box with a simple manual. It comes with 4 spare propellers and a screwdriver. This tiny controller that I remember from some older Cheerson drones, a bag of screws and a small 260 mAh battery. The drone design seems pretty alien and the frame looks like it's very bendable. This is a good thing because it will resist impact very well around the house, but it's not cool when you bend the frame by mistake if you carry it improperly. A nice thing is that it comes with 2 batteries and you can buy more. I'll have links in the description. One battery lasts for about 5 or 6 minutes in total. These are 4-bladed propellers that will probably never break because of the ducted design of the drone. This will keep them totally safe most of the time. It has altitude hold, so it is going to be relatively stable when it comes to altitude, of course, thanks to the barometer inside. The controller requires 3 AAA batteries and has the standard functions like flips and the ability to change between 3 speed rates. Slow for inside and faster for outside, if you want to combat the wind better. Speaking of which, this is not really made for taking outside with you, especially when there's stronger winds. I managed to fly it surprisingly well though, even outside, but I think this is simply perfect for total beginners to learn how to fly inside, because I've tried hitting it on the walls a ton of times and it simply continues flying and it's very resilient. The camera is 2 megapixels and as you can see it's the only thing in that canopy, which to me seems like a bit of a waste of space, but I like the fact that they designed the camera board to be close to the cooling holes in the back. The camera records just like you see, nothing really special, but nice to have some fun with around the house or even outside. If you're not keen on using the controller, you can also minimize the package and only control it directly from the app with your phone, just like you see right here, and race through the house like crazy. It can also take pictures, and here are a few of them. Overall, this drone proved to be a nimble little flyer around the house, despite its strange looks, and I consider it to be a very awesome beginner quad. Not suited for FPV because there will always be some lag in the Wi-Fi app, but perfect to take some quick videos when you're having fun flying around the house. There's links to get the drone in the description because the prices always change, and I'll also leave a coupon code down there. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification icon, especially if you're a beginner. See you later, alligator!
See you later, alligator.